In today's video, we're going to showcase upgraded plunger woman. And also guys, I'm giving away one plunger woman right now, so make sure to like and subscribe to this video. So let's get started. Alright, let's go. About this unit guys, she's only 600 to place and very cheap bro. And her upgrades and his stats is very good bro. Let's see then. Alright, let's see. Kinda laggy here. Okay, there she goes, and let's see his model. Okay. Oh, that's pretty good stats. 0.2 cooldown, that's good. Yeah. So I don't know if it's good or not because Chief Clock is good too. He's a beast starter too. I don't know which one is good. To be honest, I kinda like this upgraded plunger woman because it's just good, bro. Yeah. Okay, let's wait until she's maxed out. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, she's maxed out and this is his stats. It's kinda good too. Yeah. So about the next video, I'ma do an endless using her. So I guess what wave will she go, or is she good or not? Because Chief Clock I got to wave 62 I think. 60, yeah, 62. Okay, am I off my graphic? Okay. His model is kinda good, yeah. So see ya guys, bye.